Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and control link. Install a fully charged battery, then bind your transmitter and receiver so the helicopter accepts your inputs. Once bound, center trims and confirm throttle hold is low. This prevents sudden lift. You must physically check the rotor head, swash plate, blade pitch links, and tail rotor for smooth motion because mechanical bind causes crashes. Make sure all screws are tight and that the flight modes are set. Then move to the initial hover tests. You now perform controlled, incremental lifts. Set a shallow throttle and pitch curve so lift builds slowly, and enable beginner stabilization if your system offers it. Lift to 1 to 2 feet and hold for a couple seconds, focusing on small stick corrections rather than large movements. This trains smooth inputs and lets you feel control responsiveness. Once comfortable, adjust cyclic rates and tail gain or governor slightly to reduce oscillation. Make minor adjustments between attempts. Repeat until the hover holds with minimal input. You transition to forward flight by gently adding forward cyclic and a touch more throttle while maintaining altitude. Do this slowly to avoid tip stalls. Practice straight translations and simple turns, returning to a stable hover between maneuvers to recalibrate your feel. For landing, plan a shallow approach, reduce forward speed, then lower throttle and pitch smoothly to touch down. If you encounter severe oscillation or loss of control, immediately reduce throttle to idle and set the helicopter down. Then inspect tail rotor, gyro settings, and gain tuning before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.